Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 11 Sukoon or Jazm. In previous video we have learned the examples of Sukoon or Jazm. In this video we will learn more examples of Sukoon and Jazm. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Sukoon or Jazm? As we have already learned, this sign is called Sukoon or Jazm. A letter which has this sign is called Sukoon or Jazm is Sakina letter. A letter which has this sign on it, above it, is called silent letter or Sakina letter. This sign always place above the letter. This sign will not place under the letter or below the letter. This sign always place above the letter. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? The letter which has Sukoon or Jazm sign or Sakina letter will be pronounced with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it. It means Sakina letter will be pronounced according to the Mutaharrik letter coming before it. It will be connected with the letter coming before it, and Sakina letter will be pronounced according to the Mutaharrik letter coming before it. How we pronounce the Hamza Sakina? Hamza Sakina always pronounce with a sudden pause. Hamza Sakina always pronounce with a sudden pause. What is letters of Kalkala? The meaning of Kalkala is movement. There should be some movement in the makhraj. How we perform Kalkala we will learn in this video, this lesson as well. And what is makhraj? Makhraj is the existing point when we pronounce these letters such that the sound echoes. Makhraj is the point or existing point where the letters are pronounced that the sound echoes. How many letters of Kalkala? There are 5 letters of Kalkala: Dal, Jeem, Ba, Qa, Qaf, and their combination is Qutubu Jaddin. How we pronounce when the letters of Kalkala are Sakina? When Kalkala letters are Sakina, how we pronounce them? The Sakina Kalkala letters should be more clear. When the letters of Kalkala are Sakina, in that case Kalkala should be more clear. We will see the example in this video, in this lesson as well. In this lesson, take special care in correctly pronouncing the letters of Kalkala and Hamza Sakina. Let's start. This letter in red color is a silent letter which contains Jazm sign on it. it will be pronounced according to the letter coming before it, and this is Hamza. And keep remember, when alif has any sign on it or below it, it will be pronounced as Hamza. It will not pronounce as alif. It will always pronounce as Hamza. Let's start. Hamza, dal, zabar ad. Hamza, dal, zer id. Hamza, dal, pesh ud. Ad, id, ud. Here this letter is kalkala and kalkala is sakin here, and it will be more clear in pronunciation, like ad, id, ud. The next is Hamza, do, zabar ad. Hamza, do, zer id. Hamza, do, pesh ud. Ad, id, ud. Here this letter is sakin or silent letter. This contains jazm sign on it. The next is Hamza, kaf, zabar ak. Hamza, kaf, zer ik. Hamza, kaf, pesh uk. Ak, ik, uk. The next is Hamza, qaf, zabar aqu. Hamza, qaf, zer iq. Hamza, qaf, pesh uqu. Aqu, iq, uqu. Here this letter is silent letter. It contains jazm sign or sukoon sign on it, above it, and it is a kalkala letter, so kalkala will be more clear in this. Aqu, iq, uqu. Hamza, ha, zabar ah. Hamza, ha, zer ih. Hamza, ha, pesh u. Ah, ih, u. Here this letter is silent letter. It contains jazm sign or sukoon sign above it. It will be pronounced like this: ah, e, o. The next letter is Hamza, ha, zabar ah. Hamza, ha, zer eh. Hamza, ha, pesh oh. Ah, eh, oh. Here this letter is silent letter. This contains jazm sign or sukoon sign on it. The next is Hamza, Hamza, zabar a. Hamza, Hamza, zer i. Hamza, Hamza, pesh u. A, e, u. Here this letter is silent letter or sakina letter. It will be pronounced according to the letter of this. It will be pronounced according the harkat of this letter. The next is Hamza, ain, zabar a. Hamza, ain, zer i. Hamza, ain, pesh o. A, i, O. Here this letter is sakina letter or silent letter. This contains sukoon sign or jazm sign on it. It will be pronounced according to the letter comes before it, and this is Hamza Zabar. It will be pronounced like this: Hamza Ain Zabar A, Hamza Ain Zir I, Hamza Ain Pesh O, A I O. This is the lesson number 11, part 2. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.